Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new relaxing crafting video. So today we're having crafting therapy because I need it, we all need it. So we're just simply going to let the pages speak to us, not do any measurements or anything, just relax. I do have a picture that I print out that I want to put in my journal here. So this is a journal that I created last year, I think, and I have not added more to this, so it's pretty empty. I had another one going for the past couple years, so I'm gonna start a new journal for this season. I did put a picture here already to kind of decorate the first page, and this is an older picture of my girls under the rain at home, and this was actually COVID time, so it was so fun to just go in the backyard and play with the rain. But so yeah, so I wanted to document, and typically when I work on my journals I work chronologically, and I just start documenting as the season comes and documenting what we do. But this time I want to do something different. I just want to document favorite memories, even if they're from the past, and I want to start now. I want to start early, and just gonna get in the season or the spirit of gratefulness and giving thanks and just documenting fall in general. So I just did my fall bucket list the other day, and so over here I have go for walks, collect leaves. I guess collecting leaves for me will have to wait until October because I am in California and it's still pretty sunny and beautiful here, and I do love the sunny weather, so I'm not rushing the fall, but I do love the fall aesthetics, and I of course love pumpkin patch. I'd already seen some pumpkin patches coming, so I can't wait to go. And then so visit a haunted house is always fun. Read scary books, that's like my favorite activity to do. I actually started in August reading scary books already because I don't know, I just love scary books all year round pretty much. But I just relate them so much to getting into the Halloween spirit or the cozy spirit, and go see a musical is something I definitely want to do. I don't think Hamilton is gonna come to town, but I think last year we did go see Hamilton, and we just enjoy the whole process of like dressing up and going out with the girls. So any musical in town we'll probably go see, and then bake bread and watch cozy movies. So very simple fall bucket list, and I guess I will secretly add here to try to document a memory, maybe every other day. I don't want to say once a week because I know if I say once a week it will never happen, but if I try to make it a 5-10 minute daily habit, I think I will be able to do more. I want to finish this journal. I want this to be exploding with happy fall memories, even if they're not current memories right now because we're not really doing fall activities just yet. I just want to fill it up. But anyway, with that said, I went ahead and printed a picture from last year's pumpkin patch. I just thought it was so pretty. As the girls are getting older, they're so, aesthetic with their photography, and they were taking a picture, the three of them, or the shoe of their shoes with the pumpkins, and so I just asked them to send me that picture because I thought that was so pretty. And so yeah, so I don't know where we're going with this other than just adding some memories on this book. So I don't know that I did a walkthrough of this journal, but these pieces here are just basically add-ons that I do on videos that you can add to your mini albums. You can also add it to your journals, as you can see. So this is a little pocket over here, double pocket actually, and I do have some stitching all around. And this is a little trifold with a little waterfall, so it's like a little mini book in a way, little pocket. So I just love doing these little pieces, and then this opens here and it's magnetized, So this could be used as a little page holder, and it's a little book on its own by itself. And so yeah, so I think I will just pick a random page today. We'll just do a random documenting, because like I said, I don't want to go chronologically anymore. I just want to be able to, at the end of the journey, flip the book, flip the pages, and travel in time every time we turn the page, instead of making it a daily type of journal. But I do want to document these pictures here. And again, these are from last year, so you can go ahead and print whatever you have if you want to do something similar. You know, you don't have to wait and plan the activities, just print what you already have and document those memories. There's always something that we can document from the previous years. So then I also have some scrap pieces of paper. So I do have this little pouch, I guess you will call it, and I put in here all of my scraps, leftovers, and these are perfect to do some quick and easy documenting and just keep everything in one place, like everything that is fall is there. So I guess I will just rip the paper here, because we are not measuring, we are just playing with paper today. But I do want to maybe do some inking, and let's do that. So let me know what is on your fall bucket list. You guys like going to pumpkin patches, or maybe you don't you're not so much into the Halloween and you enjoy more the fall. I think for me it's definitely a balance. Like, I enjoy fall decor more than Halloween decor, but I enjoy reading scary books, and I also enjoy going to the pumpkin patch, but I stay away from the haunted house. Like, I will go because my girls want to go in, but oh my gosh, I hate haunted houses, especially the ones that you don't know where the people is gonna come from and jump at you. I just don't like it. I just don't trust people. I will probably prefer, you know, if it's something like electronic, like like a, I don't know, what do you call this, an animatronic, more than actual people dress up, because this time of day you don't even know who you're dealing with anymore. Okay, so I do have this little piece here, so it's gonna make it hard to add. I wanted to do another corner here, but I think I'm just gonna leave that, and then maybe I can do, just to add a little bit more of that paper design here, we can do a little corner. And I do wanna again just ink. And so the process of dressing up or playing with your journals or your scrapbooks, you can just grab a mini album also and add some pictures right now. Use this time to do a little crafting with me, whatever it is you're working on. But I just like the dressing up and not really, thinking. It's not like matting a mini album that you have to measure constantly, right? This is just relaxing, and look how pretty that looks, just like that. Just add it to the page just like that. But let's see what other paper we have that we can probably create a little background on these. So maybe something like that, and then this I could probably just cut there. Okay, and then we can probably do that. Okay, and that will be a cute picture area here. So I do want to ink, and maybe we can turn this into a pocket also, so we can put a little tag. So I think I want to put it up here, and let's see, I will just do glue on the sides to make it, did I do it upside down? Oh no, that's fine. To make it into a pocket, so we can have a little tag pulling from the top, and I can add this here, little picture, so pretty, of their shoes. So cute. And then we can just use something here to make a tag. So I think this one will be perfect since it has lines. It could be like a line tag there. Let me cut this. Okay, let's see if it will fit. Oh, perfect, right there, it does fit. So I'm just going to ink this here. Maybe I can even round the corners so it doesn't look so boxy. Let's do that. Yeah, so let me know what is in your fall bucket list, what movies you like to watch. Again, fall cozy movies, scary movies, series. Okay, so this will be my place for journaling, adding a little bit in there. That's cute. And then maybe I can put a sticker in here, like a little sticker tab. So I have these stickers from, these are Graphic 45 Hello Pumpkin collection. I don't know how long I had these for, but I think they're just perfect for these layouts. So I'm gonna use one of these little leaf stickers, and then maybe we can add it as a little tag here, right? So maybe I'm actually gonna put it on the back like that. And then I'm gonna grab another one and put this one on the front, right there, like that. Just creating a little tag, and I don't care that this cover the word because it's so irrelevant. Okay, so we're just gonna ink that like that. Okay, and then that we have like a cute little pull tab in there. And okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna take the one that says pumpkin love, since we have a lot of pumpkins over here. Okay, so let's take this out. Here we go. Just do a little inking, even though you can't really see the inking on this. It's just something about the side, you know, on the white on the side. I mean, I know you get me. I know you get what I'm saying. And okay, so then that will be cute over here, I think. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that right there. And let me just glue this. Let's glue this down. I was gonna make it into another pocket, but I don't think I need it as another pocket. But I do want to put these somewhere over here. That is cute. I'm just gonna go right ahead and glue this down onto the page. It's pretty. And I used to have a stamp, you know, a date stamp, but I don't even know where that could be right now, so I'm not gonna use it. But I'm gonna use some of these stickers. This one says Hello Pumpkin. It's so cute. I think this would look good if we just layer that over here. Hello Pumpkin. And then I need another one for up there. Let's see, maybe a little ticket for the pumpkin patch. And I do want to put some glue because these stickers sometimes don't pass the test of time with their stickiness, just gonna put that right there to fill that space a little bit. Isn't that cute already? Okay, so let me see if I can take this out and add the actual glue. And there we go. There you go, super quick and easy. I did not stop this video purposely because I just want to know, you know, how fast, or, you know, not that I'm rushing myself, but how quick and easy it is to do one of these pages and just have a relaxing crafting time, you know, either if I'm doing this on a video or if I'm just doing it as a more of a daily habit, because that's my purpose this season, to just relax, breathe, not think about life or anything, and just use this as a little crafting therapy, like I said. So I'm gonna add this little it's like a little, what do you call this, ticket stamp, but for some reason the center comes out, so I'm just gonna glue that. I mean, I guess it's cute, you can use it like a little window for a picture, but I just wanted the sticker part of it. And I think that's it. I think that's all we really need. 5 minutes with yourself, with paper. No measuring, no counting, no stressing, just ripping paper, therapeutic, gluing stickers, looking at beautiful pictures, and collecting your memories. That's all we're here for today. I hope you guys enjoy this little crafting therapy with me. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.